there, I thought you might like to see this book. I bought it on Vinted, but we can probably get it through Amazon and your local library. And I'm fairly sure that the author has done other books as well. It's called Doodle Stitching Embroidery Art, Move Beyond the Pattern with Aimee Ray. It's quite a good book if you like slow stitching and embroidery. It gives you some really good ideas and the confidence to do what you like. And I really like the concept of doodle stitching. You may have seen some of my other videos. I really like the idea of just doing your own slow stitching and not having to do rigid patterns and perfect embroidery. I'm going to give you a quick flip through. Some of her work is absolutely lovely. She does show some hoop art. I don't tend to use a hoop myself, but I think it's quite useful to see some of the work that she suggests here and gives some really good ideas on things that you can do. She does include templates and patterns at the back, so you've got some guides that you can use, but also I think this would give people confidence to know that they can doodle their own and create their own basic patterns, and for doodle stitching as well. Draw ourselves a circle for a hoop and draw whatever we like inside it and stitch away. She does an introduction and all of the things that you need to start with embroidery, how to sew the backing on your hoop if you use a hoop. She does go through a few of the basic stitches as well. I think that's really helpful too. And then she adds quite a lot of projects in there. This one's quite interesting because it's a cutout, so it's a wreath, and then you can have the feather dangling in the middle of it. This one's extended over the two hoops, which is extended over the two hoops. I think they tell a story rather than just being a pretty picture. So you do get the stitch guides for all of the projects that are here. But then it gives you some really good ideas for using your scraps as well, which I think is nice. And this Stitch a Day journal sampler I think is a really good idea, and that will build confidence. I think it's quite a nice reference. So even though I haven't done any of the projects, and I probably wouldn't, I just think it's a really nice reference, and it's really nice to have a bit of a flip through. And like I say, to build confidence. I like the idea of doing mini hoops. I'm hoping to do something like that myself to make some jewellery out of. So there's some really good ideas in here. I'm not going to show every single page, but you can see that with each project you do get the necessary information so that you can complete the full project. I do think it's a really good book. It's not strict embroidery. It's quite loose. So for people who like to break the rules and just go their own way, then it's a really good confidence builder. But you do get several projects that you could practice and give yourself some ideas as well. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this. Just a quick flip through, and I'll probably show you some more of my books at another time. So you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.